Unbelievable benefits of eating fish. Number 1. Rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. Fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout, are abundant sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats play a crucial role in promoting heart health by reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Omega-3s are known to lower blood pressure, decrease triglyceride levels, and contribute to overall cardiovascular well-being. Number 2. Brain-boosting nutrients. Fish is often referred to as brain food due to its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. DHA is a vital component of brain cell membranes and is associated with cognitive function. Regular consumption of fish has been linked to a lower risk of age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's. Number 3. Protein powerhouse. Fish is an excellent source of high-quality protein, essential for muscle growth, repair, and maintenance. Unlike some land-based sources of protein, fish is typically low in saturated fat, making it a heart-healthy choice for those looking to maintain or build muscle mass. Subscribe and follow on other social media platforms.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.